Hello, welcome back again to our channel Skye Insights. And this is the fifth day, part 2, towards the west coast. We have done almost 2 or 3 locations. We left in the morning Sango San Eosis campsite, then visited art gallery in a small village in Durness, and then we have covered one lake in our last episode. Now we are heading towards more and more and more. In this day we are going to cover a castle, a stunning castle, and there is yeah, we were singing, if you can sense it. Just be in the moment. The weather was amazing. Clouds, lakes, amazing mountains. Outstanding view altogether. So finally we have reached on a point like it's a castle. It's a very famous castle. That time, before doing the drone, I told my wife and my daughter to go, and then I was trying to catch them. This castle name is Ardvreck Castle. It's like Sutherland. It's like on the west coast. Once you are approaching towards the west coast, like Isle of Skye and that kind of locations. So this castle is coming on the way. It's almost like 400 years old castle. By this castle, they have made a lot of unique things like which you can't experience usually in this era, which era we are living in. It's next to a very nice lake. And there we go. I start covering by my drone, which I love to take out my drone and start shooting all the landscapes. I was in the cloud. This moment was like my drone was in cloud. That's why it's a blurry picture. This is a lake view. This lake called Loch Ancient. Just imagine how those centuries people were living and how they were building their castles, their houses, and they were very protective about their surrounding. This was the place where we park our motorhome. I was just standing there. Now I will go and cover some shots for my family who are trying to experience this castle by stepping in those stones. Here they are. I hope you guys are enjoying each and every shot of this trip. And here we are going to end this shoot of this place. Yeah. Then again, the same, outstanding views, and the journey start with a lot of laughter, a lot of stories, a lot of indoor games. We were laughing, talking, and trying to get the best out of these moments. You can listen what's going on inside. Yesterday I shared one reel on my channel, like the extract of that reel was like what the real happiness is, and I have clearly mentioned in our captions like happiness is the journey, not the destination. We are targeting a lot of destinations in our life for finding the happiness. Another stopover to cover some of the local cattle around. This is the famous long-haired cow of Scotland. These animals are, keep getting scared by this, flying object. Whenever the drone was going to go, touch them, they are running away. I was curious. I heard a lot about these cows in Scotland, but this was my first, this was the 5th day, and I didn't get to encounter such kind of animals. So I was just turning towards Ardvreck campsite, and I found these cattle were standing around. So I just stop over and I start capturing some shots. See, look at them. This was the time I start moving forward and letting my drone follows my car. And suddenly, that moment was, I realized it start drizzling and my drone were outside, and I felt like my baby is outside. So I just tried to stop over and try to get it back. safely. In those days, the way the weather, we have seen all kind of weather together. The rain, is with the rain sometimes hills are there also. You can listen that sound. Mesmerizing view. I still can feel that peace and inner joy. I hope this kind of videos can bring maybe few percentage of that feel what I felt there. My purpose is to make all these footages and the videos and the episodes to just give you little insights about that trip and take you there by my gadgets and having sharing my experience whatever I did. Just feel it. This was the point where our road is taking us to closer to the Ardvreck campsite. We were very excited. We have seen a lot in videos and the pictures of that campsite. It's amazing place, and you are going to experience that location in the next upcoming episodes. Sometimes I'm feeling like this journey, like these continuous roads and similar kind of views may be quite boring for the viewers, but this was for me, the journey was the main footage for me, because this was the time like I could reach to my soul and saw a lot of beauty inner side, internally. It was very peaceful. So maybe for you guys it's a new experience. Here we go. This is the campsite, another nice nature friendly place, Ardvreck. Discussing, is this the right place? Should we go in? How to whom we should talk, how to get in, where to park. Then we saw that small cabin, that brown one. Yeah, and that's the office administrative part. This is almost like end of the video, this episode. I'm trying to minimize as much as possible. This time when I park it start raining. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I tried you to connect with the nature. Thank you so much. See you.